Now I am going to explain about display hello world message using the internal UART. So here hello world message we are displaying using internal UART, not an LCD. So for this is a program. So this is a complete program. So in this initially we are taking the delay function and then UART function, universal asynchronous receiver transmitter function. Both we are calling initially, and then we are giving same C program type, unsigned integer type, data type, and then to display the hello world and taking pointer and then array, the string array, and taking characters, and then including this here again the character. This is the main function for the UART. So in this main function UART initialization, then I am taking infinite loop while one. So within this infinite loop pointer initialization I am calling this array. So array having this hello world message, and this using the while loop up to escape character, means final character, we are calling this hello world message within internal UART. And this including UART initialization function file this is. So in this we are configuring whatever files are there using the port. This is a configuration, pin configuration, and then using this DLM, DLL, LCR and FCR registers and calculating the baud rate. It's a 9600 bits per second baud rate I am calculating using this DLL and then LCR, and then file is a FIFO control register. And then I am going for program execution. So program execution, same procedure, same steps we are following. So new project creating here. Before new project creation, I am creating the one folder here, new folder. So within this folder I am creating the new project, something UAR project. So here LPC 1768, doing same procedure, then new file. So here this program copying completely. After copying I am saving this program as UART.c file, then adding this UART file, C file here. Including this I am adding startup file. It's a startup library which is placed in desktop. This is the startup library I am added. After this compile, then build. So once completion of build, no need to create the hexadecimal file, no need to go to the target file. So go to debug, start debug. After this view, then go to serial window, UART. This is the internal UART. So here in internal UART we are displaying the message hello world. Then you go for the run. So once you click the run, it will display here internally UART is a hello world message. Whatever we are giving within the code, it will display internal UART, not in LCD. So thank you.